Hello everyone, Assalamu alaikum. How are you all? I hope you are well. Welcome back to my channel in this new video. Today's video, how to find all the information including location from any picture take you. So let's started. At first open your document. Now going to the Chrome browser. I'm going to the Chrome browser option. Then I show the new interface. Then select from search bar. Now I choose from pick to map. Now keyboard press from enter. Now I can see, then I select from pick to map. Now from website, now for click. Then I show the select photo to file. Now click for select to photo file. Now select from any picture. Now choose from picture. Now click for open option. Then when that it's, now you can see, scroll your mouse. Then you show all details and all information in the picture. Then you show chart by camera information, file information, and date and time. That it's. Now you can see, find all the information including location in any picture is very easily. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.